Hey! Welcome sa podcast na hindi takot sa totoong kwento kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang buhay, pangarap at lahat ng gulo sa gitna. Whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or isang taong naghahanap ng direction. This space is for you. So sit back, take a breath, and let's talk real talk. Don't forget to follow this podcast dahil baka ito na ang sign na hinihintay mo. Our guest for today is Tim! Welcome naman natin siya, guys!
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for having me here. So yeah, by the way, I am Tim, a former international student and now advanced and communications professional.
Welcome, Tim.
Thank you so much. It's really an honor to be here.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, especially yung pag-say mo ng yes
Of course.
na guest dito sa podcast, right?
Dati napapanood ko lang to. And then, when you reached out,
Yeah.
sabi ko, anong meron sa story ko? Para nandito sa harap mo ngayon, right? But
Yeah.
then I realized that if you saw something in my story or in my journey that can inspire at least, sabi ko nga, even just a one or single person out
Yes.
there,
Yes.
then who am I to say no, right? Who am
Yeah.
I to say, to keep my story within myself? So why not share as well?
Yes, yeah. Kasi yun naman talaga yung kailangan natin, di ba? Yung may ma-inspire sa story and maybe yung inaantay mo na answer sa mga questions mo, na-experience pala ni Tim,
Yes.
di ba? So, yun po yung reason bakit din meron tayong mga guests dito sa podcast. Tell us something about yourself, kung ano yung pinagkakabisihan mo ngayon, and sino si Tim. Yes.
So, right now I'm working as an events and communications
Yeah.
person in one of the leading universities here in Calgary and in Alberta. But
That's
outside
amazing.
of my work, I also commit myself, into community events.
Yeah.
As long as these events has something to do with giving back, to the community, I
Yeah.
involve myself like fundraising events and activities.
Yeah.
Yes, I do those things.
Galing naman.
Of course.
Yeah. Ang galing. Okay, can you tell us your experience? So, magsimula tayo na nasa Pilipinas ka,
Yeah.
kung paano ka napunta dito sa Canada, yung mga desisyon na ginawa mo. Kasi it's super hard, di ba? Like, to tell us our audience.
Yeah.
So, mag-umpisa tayo kung ano yung buhay ni Tim back home. Okay.
So back home, I was actually an educator. So I was teaching in public school.
Okay, yes.
Back then. So
Yeah.
that was like for 3 years.
Yeah.
After graduating college, I graduated at 20. I passed my board exam at 21. And
Ang
at
aga.
22, yes, at 22, I became a public school teacher in my own community. So
Wow.
maaga akong namulat sa sistema kung
Yeah.
paano magturo, paano ang takbo ng sistema sa paaralan.
Yeah.
Of course, this is under Department of Education, right?
Yeah.
So this is something that I really wanted to do as well. Kasi gusto
Yeah.
ko nga in my mind, it's a personal goal of mine, to inspire the younger generation, to
Yes.
educate them, to
Yeah.
empower them by sharing my story, not only my story, but, in academics as well.
Yeah.
So that was one of my goals before. So that was, 3 years journey.
Yes, yeah.
I enjoyed that time, especially the connection that I had, the relationship that I had with these students.
Yes.
So hanggang ngayon, we are still connected,
Yeah.
which is really great, right?
Yeah.
But then of course, I realized sa sarili ko na parang, you know what? Something is missing.
After
Parang-
3 years yan,
yeah.
right?
Or before pa mag 3 years, naiisip ko na parang, is this something that I really wanted to do hanggang sa
Forever.
pagtanda ko? So naisip ko na siya. Hindi pa ako nagsimulang magturo actually. I started my masteral in one
Yeah.
of the universities nearby.
Yeah.
So talagang kasi nga, nakikita ko yung mga co-teachers ko before, they're doing their masterals as well.
Yeah.
And because of the societal pressure as well, na dapat, syempre yung naririnig ko, right, na bata ka pa, dapat sige mag-aral ka, ganito, ganyan.
Umpisahan mo na.
Yes, umpisahan mo na habang bata ka. And I
Yeah.
was like, okay, ganun ako noon. I just go with the flow.
Yeah.
Okay, sige, umpisahan daw, sige, gawin ko din. So, we, weekends, nag-aaral ka, gumraduate ka na, pero
Wow.
nag-aaral ka pa ulit.
And you were
right?
like 21 back then,
Yeah, I
right?
was just even 20, I think, when
Aga.
I started my masteral.
Yeah.
And then, tuturo ka on weekdays, ganyan. Nung napasok na ako sa public school, nagtuturo na ako. So, I was a bit competitive kasi parang
Yes.
sabi nila, kailangan mo to for promotion, this and that.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa parang napagod ako.
Yeah.
Na-realize ko sa sarili ko na hindi na ako masaya sa kung ano yung nagiging flow ng buhay ko, sa kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Don't get me wrong. I love my students, you
Yeah.
know, the connection that I built, I love those, you know.
Yeah.
Every time na nagkakaroon ako ng chance, you know, to inspire them, ganyan, I love those things.
Yeah.
But then, sabi ko, paano yung sarili ko?
Yeah,
Tama?
I can definitely like relate with
Yes.
you with that.
And
Yeah.
then, during that time, I talked to my parents. Kasi parang sabi ko talaga, wala na yung happiness dun sa ginagawa mo.
Yeah. Anong nangyari sa conversation ninyo ng mom mo after?
That conversation didn't happen once lang. So yung conversation na yon, naging tuloy-tuloy na siya. Like of
Yeah.
course, I was updating the progress. Sabi ko, nung una syempre sinabi ko na hindi na ako masaya, ganito yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
But then syempre, wala pa naman yung decision na alis na ako agad. Wala
Yeah.
pang ganun. So parang okay, i-check ko muna, tignan natin kung magkaroon ng changes.
Yeah.
Pero
But so sorry to cut you out.
Yeah.
But like she asked you, di ba, why?
Yes.
And then ano yung sinabi mo yun nga, di ba? Hindi ka-
talagang,
yeah.
sabi ko, I can't see myself doing this for the rest of my life. Bilang, I was of course young back then, right?
Yes.
Talagang, alam mo yung personality ko na I was adventurous, gano'n.
Yeah.
So gusto kong mag-explore talaga ng mga bagay-bagay.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, pinaliwanag ko kasi my mom was a teacher. So
Okay.
teacher siya, and then she kind of influenced me with this, you know, direction ng life ko. Hindi ko sinasabing diretso niya ang sinabi na mag-teacher ka or what, ganito ang kunin mo. No, pero syempre, the influence of a mother is still different,
Yes,
right?
yes, I
So,
agree.
na-influence ako. Then, sabi ko, Mama, kung sa'yo, sa sarili mo, talagang eto yung goal mo sa buhay, mag-teacher ka, alam mo yon, this is something that you really want to do sa buong buhay mo, kayo yan eh.
Yes.
Mine is different.
I salute you for
Mine is
yeah, for
different.
that.
And then, yeah, don't get us wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Yung mga naging teachers ko when I was in high school, nakatrabaho ko sila.
Aww.
When I was teaching in public school.
Yeah.
And sabi ko nga, kung yun yung talaga yung gusto nila, go for it, right?
Yes.
It is just me na parang naghahanap ako ng ibang direction sa buhay ko.
Yes.
So, yung conversation na yun, naging open na. Like
Yeah.
sa family. My mom, my dad
Like,
talaga.
how did your dad handle it?
My dad was like, the initial reaction was, he was okay. Compared sa mother, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang mas chill yung tatay mo.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Do whatever you wanna
Oo,
do.
parang
Ganun yun.
susuportahan ka niya talaga. Hindi ko sinasabing walang support ang mom. Pero syempre, yung initial reaction niya na parang, kung ano yung gusto ko, ganun, ipupush niya rin naman talaga ako.
Yeah.
And then eventually, the two of them, so parang naintindihan nila ako by me sharing my experiences with them, with
Or
the
your
system.
point of view
yeah,
mo,
my
diba?
point of view kung ganyan, naintindihan nila. And then when I got their support, that's the time na lumakas yung loob ko
Yeah.
to find something else sa buhay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then, like, paano nag-start yung journey mo na, gusto kong mag-Canada? Yung ganun. Hindi naman agad-agad sabi mo nga,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
diba? It's a process
Yeah,
talaga. Na hindi ka naman agad nag-quit na. Hindi
Yes.
naman agad na, okay, nag-resign na ako, ayoko na, bye na. ganun.
Right.
Yeah, so what happened next?
So during that time, it was COVID, it was pandemic.
Yeah.
Right? So we were limited, you know, with everything. So isolated kami sa community,
Yeah.
ganyan. And then during that time, my relatives from Canada umuwi ng Pinas. Umuwi sila ng
okay.
Pinas. So we had this conversation. So we were exploring, you know, possibilities kung paano kaya tayo makakarating dito ng Canada. But then
Okay.
those were just initial conversation, you
Yeah.
know. Wala pa talaga yung definite plan. But then we're seeing something that time.
Yeah.
And then, kasagsagan ng pandemic, mostly ng mga pathways and borders, right, nag-shutdown talaga,
Yes,
nag-close
I agree,
talaga.
yeah.
So the initial plans, nawala talaga siya. Yung mga initial plan kung paano sana makakapunta ng Canada,
Yeah.
right? Because before, may
Sinantabi
mga
mo.
pathways, right?
Yeah.
Pero nag-shutdown, nag-close nga siya. And then, nabalitaan namin sa news, ganito na Canada is opening their borders for international students.
What a
yun yung
perfect timing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yun yung naging parang, yun yung una na parang okay. Sabi nung isang pinsan ko, okay, we might consider this.
Yeah.
Of course, pero hindi ibig sabihin nag-open na siya, go ka lang, right?
Yeah.
Kasi you have to consider a lot of things.
Yeah.
The finances, the places na pupuntahan mo, alam mo yun,
Or even
everything.
gusto ko ba talaga to?
Yes, is this something that I really want to do?
Yeah.
Kasi parang you're already working back home in the Philippines and then mag-aaral ka ulit.
Yeah.
So these were the considerations talaga during that time.
Yeah.
But then I was, nasa point ako ng buhay ko na yun nga, naghahanap na talaga ako ng ibang direction sa life ko that
Yeah.
time. And when I told you a while ago, when I got the support of my parents
Yeah.
and my family, and I was like, you know what? Let's do this one. Siyempre, I had
Yeah.
to consult them. Kaya ba? Kakayanin ba natin? Of course,
Yes.
yung mga ganung bagay. So, nung sinabi na, okay, we will support you, and I was like,
That's so sweet.
talagang
Yeah.
mas naging confident ako to push through
Yeah.
sa kung anumang journey na to. Siyempre, right, if you're going to ask about the process and everything like that, it's
Yeah.
really important, for people out there na gustong mag-international students, is
Yeah.
really number one, your motivation
Yeah.
and, decision making. Why are you going to this place? Why Canada?
Yeah.
Right? As for me, of course, I consider the quality of education, the career opportunities, the diversity of this country.
Yeah.
Plus, I had my connections here. I have my relatives. So these were the considerations.
Yeah.
And I want to tell them it's really important to think of these things.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Kasi na-experience mo na yan, di ba?
Right.
So, gusto nyo din i-check yung mga ganon na mga
Yeah.
instances para if it fits you. Di ba? Pero kung
Yes.
hindi, at least may iba kang options na kailangan mo ding tignan.
Right.
Di ba? And then what happened next?
And
Yung sa
then,
processing and stuff like
yeah.
that. I know it's not easy, but can you tell our audience
I
to
know,
enlighten them
yeah.
kung papaano yung process? Guys, sa mga nagtatanong, hindi po siya, paano ka nag-apply ng Canada
Yes.
tapos ma-approve ka na agad?
Yes.
Hindi po. It takes a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of things to prepare for that. Of
Yeah.
course, after
And it's during COVID pa, di ba?
it's during pandemic, so it
Yeah.
was really challenging.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga, limited transportation and everything. I was living in a province, right?
Yeah.
So I have to travel from our province to Manila, like to process some papers and other papers, which
I
was
agree.
really
Tapos
challenging
COVID
that
pa.
time. It was COVID, so I was like, oh my gosh. And of course, I was working back then.
Yes.
Luckily, those times talagang, yun nga, hindi naman kami, kumbaga, we were working from home for some days. So,
Yeah.
those were the times na talagang I used as well to process some things, some papers and
Yeah,
documents.
you didn't really waste time.
Yeah,
no?
I did not
Galing.
waste my time.
Yeah.
So of course, after that first step, next step is that, you really have to think of the place, saang province ka, saang
Okay.
province mo gustong mag-aral in Canada.
Yeah.
Apart from province, the school. You have to consider the school.
Wait, bakit
okay?
province?
Yeah.
Dahil ba
In
sa...
province because you have to consider the cost of living.
Okay, guys. Yeah, so yung
Mahalaga
province.
yun. Cost of living, the weather.
Yeah.
To tell you guys, even if we're in Canada, hindi pare-pareho ang weather,
Weather.
namin dito.
Yeah.
Okay? So
Yeah.
diba, may mga harsh talaga ang winter.
yeah.
So we have to consider these
Totoo.
things. These are so important. Yeah, province, school, program that you're taking.
Okay.
Mahalagang pag-isipan tong mga to.
Baka kasi mag-change of mind ka in the middle.
diba?
Yung mahal.
So it's
Okay.
really important to consider these things.
Okay.
And then, pag decided ka na sa mga program na to, syempre you have to, bilang international student,
Yeah.
maraming nalilito dito eh. So you
Okay.
also have to consider a school that is designated learning institution, which means it is approved by IRCC.
Oh,
Yes.
so hindi
approved
na lang
by
kahit anong
IRCC.
school.
Yeah, hindi lahat ng kung anumang school dyan, masabi lang na you're in Canada.
Oh,
No.
okay. So mag-ingat din kayo kasi
Yes.
may mga iba kasi gusto ka lang nilang makapunta ng Canada pero
Right.
na-scam ka na pala.
Yeah,
Yun
that's
palang
the
school,
thing.
hindi pala siya credited sa IRCC.
Yes, that's why I'm bringing this
Oh,
up
okay.
to the
That's
audience as well.
amazing,
It's
yeah.
very important that we are aware of those. Designated
Yeah.
learning institution, whether public school and
Yeah.
private school. So public school, basically, if it's DLI, talagang you have a chance to have that. You'll be getting that opportunity for post-graduation work permit after your schooling.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yes. And for private school who are DLI or, approved by IRCC, it's more of the LMIA-based naman yung sa kanila,
Okay.
close work permit. So the thing is, we have to be very careful,
Yeah.
with these things. Because
How did you learn those stuff bago ka pumunta dito?
Yeah, I had my consultant. So
Okay.
talagang, sabi ko nga, hindi ko naman kakayanin ng ako lang.
Yeah,
So I
guys.
really had to consult, professional with this one. So, and then talagang we were active sa mga Facebook groups. Talagang helpful naman siya.
Yeah.
Ng
Facebook
mga
groups, guys.
international students here in Canada.
Yeah.
So may mga tips na binibigay. So natututo ka rin by that. And of course, you do your own research, right?
Okay,
Bago mo pasok yung isang bagay, your research as well.
Yeah.
So these, part of the process is very important. And then you mentioned a while ago, yes, it was pandemic.
Yeah.
So it was really challenging. But sabi
Yeah.
ko nga,
Pero wala kang excuse. You did it
right?
anyways, right? Ang
Sabi ko,
galing.
I want this so bad.
Yeah.
So no matter what, I'll do it. I will, if it's for me, then it's for me.
Yes.
Right? But then here's the thing, during those time when I was processing these things, nobody knew.
You kept it yourself.
Yeah, I kept it myself. Not nobody knew, but only very selected
Yung family
people.
mo.
Yeah,
For sure.
my family, and very selected lang talaga.
Yeah.
Because I learned that.
Why?
Yes.
Let's hear that from Kim. Bakit kinip niya na sa kanya lang
Yes.
lahat na yung process or yung mga close niya lang talaga? Bakit nga ba?
I learned the hard way that not everyone around you will be happy for you.
And that's a sad
Not
reality.
everyone will support you,
Yeah.
will clap for your success.
Yes.
Right? It's sad, but it's a reality.
That is reality.
Because before I was very open, my
Yeah.
future plans. Oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to visit this, I want to try that. So I was very open before.
Yeah.
But then I learned you know what? It's not gonna work this way. Kasi the more na marami nakakaalam, the more na, it's sad but it's reality.
Yeah.
They might pray for na hindi matuloy to, ganito, ganyan for you, right?
Naniniwala ko dyan.
Yes. So I learned it, to move silently. Kaya nung nagbigay ako ng resignation letter,
Na-shock silang lahat.
they were shook. Which was mas naging smooth yung processing kasi alam mo yun, pag konti lang yung nakakaalam, tuloy-tuloy. Alam mo yun,
Yes.
you will see the difference naman.
Totoo,
Not
yeah.
unlike, right, pag marami, parang ang daming mga hindrance.
Yeah. Or ang dami pang tanong-tanong
Yes,
sa'yo, which
alam
is
mo yun.
waste of time pa na mag-explain.
Yeah, in terms of that tanong, kaya ko rin siya kinip na sa mga tao lang na talagang kilala ko, alam mo
Yeah.
yun. Kasi nga, maaapektuhan yung decision making at some point.
Oh,
na why?
that's
Permanent
amazing.
teacher ka na,
Yeah.
ganito, bakit ka pa aalis? Like, pag nandito ka sa government,
Yes.
like may pension ka pag tanda mo, ganito, ganyan. So, alam kong maririnig ko na yung mga yon. So,
Kasi knock
binlock
off mo
ko na siya agad. Yes.
Ang galing, guys.
Yeah.
See? Di ba? Yung sa decision making, it should be you talaga. Walang outer voice.
Yes.
Walang, di ba, na parang magsasabi kung ano
Right.
yung mga decision mo.
Yeah.
Kasi isa lang na ma-mess up dyan, buong buhay mo yung nakataya.
Yes, that's the
So
thing.
just be careful with that.
You really have
di
to
ba?
think it's the life mo to na gusto mong
Yeah.
ma-experience.
Yes,
Right?
yeah.
Hindi yung buhay nila.
Yeah. And then what happened next?
So
Like,
yeah. It was challenging, but sabi ko nga, I really wanted this so bad.
Yeah.
And then everything went smooth after that. Of course, the agony of waiting.
Yeah.
I had my consultant. Once, alam mo yun, decided na with the school and everything like that.
Yeah.
You have to apply for the school. So you have to connect naman sa school mo for the
Yeah.
letter of acceptance. And when you got that letter of acceptance, then proceed with the processing of the visa.
Yeah.
So I had my consultant back then. So of course, the agony of waiting was not easy. It
Gaano
was,
ka katagal nag-wait?
in my case, during that time, I think I submitted July and I
Yeah.
got approval September. So like
Mga 2 months.
just more, less than
Yeah.
2 months. It's more than a month siya. So of waiting that time, which was worth it kasi
Yeah.
during that time, like I was lost already,
Yeah.
depressed, and then, I was lost,
Yeah.
I was in pain. Sabi ko nga, right?
Yeah.
So bukod sa quarter life crisis na nararanasan ko that time, so it's a combination of everything na talaga na parang
Halo-halo
gusto
na.
kong makalabas ng Pilipinas. Gusto kong makalabas sa hometown ko or sa community ko.
Yeah. Gusto ko ng bagong experience for
Bagong
myself.
experience,
Yeah.
bagong environment.
Yeah.
And then,
Pero ang galing ng
yeah.
decision making mo, 'di ba? At an early age, like talagang alam mo yung sabi ko, ito yung gusto ko, go.
Yes.
Parang ganun. Hindi
Yes.
yung parang nag-hold back ka
Yes.
pa. Ang galing talaga yung dire-diretso
Yeah.
lang din.
Kasi siguro naging influence din sa akin ng mga naging friends ko, classmates ko when I
Yeah.
was in Baguio. So talagang, at their young age as well, talagang nag-explore din sila. Alam mo yun, parang
Nice.
naramdaman ko yung nararamdaman nila na they're finding themselves. They're creating their future.
Yeah.
Para sa yung future na gusto nila.
Yung
they're
happy ka,
exploring.
no?
Yung happy ka. And sabi ko, You know what? Parang gusto ko ding i-push talaga. And
Yeah.
then, alam mo nga, I don't want to live life na may what if ka.
Sino ba, di
Yes,
ba? Dapat
right?
talaga happy.
We only live once. So,
Yes.
I mean, para sa akin na ayaw ko magkaroon ng what if. What if ginawa ko to? What if hindi ganyan? So
Yeah.
at least, sabi ko nga, we have to try. I have to try. Otherwise, I will never know.
Yes, yeah. So, ayun na nga. So, isa pa guys, meron kang consultant you mentioned, di ba?
Yes.
So, always magtanong sa talagang mga professional. Huwag mo tatanungin yung kapitbahay mo na hindi naman naka-experience na mag-process ng paper. So, mali yung mga ganun guys. Kasi tayong mga Pilipino, minsan gusto mo lang makatipid.
I know.
Di ba? Like,
Yeah.
magtatanong ka sa kaibigan mo, hindi naman niya na-experience.
Yeah.
Better dun sa naka-experience na guys.
Right.
Di ba? And then, what happened sa processing mo, ganyan, di ba? Parang 1.5 month lang siya,
Yes.
ganyan. Also, yung parents mo, ano yung mga reaction nila kasi aalis ka na, ikaw, paano mo hinandle
Yeah.
lahat? Kasi parang tuloy yung resignation mo, you
Yes.
have to mention that kung gaano katagal yung time frame mo na iwan yung work mo, di ba, for 3 years,
Right.
and then yung mga katrabaho mo
Right.
din. Let our audience know kung paano mo hinandle yun.
Yeah. Sabi ko nga, because I was very close with my students, the
Yeah.
connection that we built talagang strong siya.
Yeah.
So for 3 years yun. And then naka-help na because it was pandemic during that time. So
Yeah.
wala kaming masyadong interaction.
Yeah.
So lahat online, ganyan, chats like that, modules like that. So naka-help siya sa akin in a way na medyo nagkaroon ako ng space sa kanila. Hindi ako kumbaga yung separation anxiety, nabawasan.
Yes, yes.
Kasi siguro kung nangyari yon na talagang ongoing yung school year, it will be very hard for me. It will be difficult for me kasi syempre, alam mo yun, I don't want just to leave them na ganun-ganun na lang.
And the connection
Oo,
to you,
the
have the
connection na parang
connection.
biglaan, ganun. So naka-help din na nagkaroon kami ng space. Yung separation anxiety, medyo nabawasan siya.
Yeah.
But of course, with my colleagues naman, I'm still connected to them up to this point. Pero syempre, it was not
amazing.
easy, right?
Yeah.
Na parang iwanan mo na. Kasi I had a good relationship with them as well.
Yeah. And nakasanayan mo na.
Nakasanayan mo na.
Yeah.
But then I have to think really na, you know what, talagang it's something that, I'm really looking forward to. So, we'll see each other again soon or in the future.
Yeah.
Ganon.
So, paano mo
ayun.
na-handle yung, alam mo yung saying goodbye to them,
Yeah.
to everyone, even your family?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
parang
of
I'm
course.
imagining it right now. Like,
Yeah, kasi parang a lot of them did not expect na that early I will leave,
Yeah.
DepEd or I will leave teaching. Parang most of them like see me pa na parang magdo-doctorate pa ako, ganyan, mag-principal ng school, gano'n.
Yeah.
I was like, thank you so much for those guys. Pero parang hindi nga yun yung ruta na gusto kong tahakin talaga sa buhay.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon. So, sa school or sa workplace ko, it went smooth naman yung
Okay.
pag-exit ko sa kanila kasi I don't, burn bridges talaga.
Yeah.
So, especially wala namang naging major problem talaga with that.
I agree.
Of course, in the family naman, that's one of the major sacrifice, right? Yung iwanan mo sila.
Yeah.
I mean, I know may kanya-kanya ng buhay, mga kapatid ko, mga magulang ko. But then, that's one of the major sacrifices na talagang masasabi ko na ginawa ko. Yung
Yeah.
lumayo para sa kanila, para simulan ko naman yung pangarap ko ulit sa buhay. Especially as
I
an
love
adult,
that.
right?
Yeah.
It's quite hard to see your parents aging while you are just starting to build your career. So
Yeah.
parang in your mind, gusto mo na, Lord, parang please take care of these people kasi I really want to give back to them. Hindi nila hinihingi, pero that is one of your goals
Yes.
as a child.
Yeah.
Right? Pangarap mo
Naniniwala
para
ako
sa
dyan.
kanila at sa
Yeah.
family mo.
Or bumawi para sa
Makabawi
kanila.
ka sa lahat
Okay.
ng sacrifice nila.
Yeah.
So,
So,
yeah.
okay, let's go back sa team na eto na, like, magpapaalam ka na sa pamilya mo,
Yeah.
ganyan, and then pupunta ka na dito sa Canada.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga naramdaman mo?
Nung papalapit na talaga siya, talagang it was COVID.
Yeah.
So, yung parang meet and greet ang nangyari. Kasi nga, I had really lots of circle of friends back
Yes.
home. So talagang yung mga students ko, when they knew the
Yeah.
news, talagang they reached out to me na gusto ka namin makasama, makabanding bago ka man lang lumipad. So iba-ibang group talaga siya.
Yeah.
So I maximize those times with my students, with my colleagues, with my relatives of course,
Yeah.
with my family. So talagang nag-set ako ng time para ma-maximize ko yung mga days, remaining days bago ako umalis. Kasi syempre, alam mo yun, I knew it to myself na pagbalik ko, iba na. It's a
Yes.
totally different story.
Yeah.
So I maximized and embraced those moments. Of course, the sapangs, separation anxiety will
Yeah.
always be there.
Yes.
But then, after those, meeting with this circle of friends and people, na-busy din ako sa talagang pag-aayos ng mga papel.
Yeah.
It was stressful kasi talagang alam mo yun, with the vaccine na dapat meron ka para makapasok ng Canada, talagang selected talaga siya, alam mo yun. So, sa community namin, walang ganon. So, talagang I had
Kailangan mong bumiyahe pa,
connect
ganyan.
I had to connect with someone else. Luckily,
Yeah.
merong mga ganong tao. So, natulungan ako. So, nabisi ako pag-aayos ng papel, making sure everything will go smooth as I enter Canada. Kasi
Yeah.
it was COVID, it was pandemic, it was uncertain talaga kung ano
Yeah.
magiging sa immigration and everything. So I got busy with that one. And then hanggang sa I went to Manila, ganyan. Naramdaman ko na yung lungkot nung
Yeah.
nakasakay na ako sa plane.
Oh.
Nung hinatid pa ako ng family ko sa
Kasama
airport,
mo pa sila
right?
eh.
Yeah, na parang okay. Parang I don't know kung saan tayo dadali ng future na to, ng journey na to.
Yeah.
So of course, I hugged my parents so tightly kasi we don't know when's going to be the next one, right?
Totoo.
Those family na talagang naghatid sa akin. But then, nakapila ka pa and everything. The moment that I sat down sa plane, I was
Yeah.
like, okay.
Eto
And
na
then
to.
you receive, last message from your Philippine number like that. I was like, okay, this is it. Doon na ako parang nagsimula, parang naiyak na, oh wow, it's going to be a different
lahat.
journey already.
Yeah.
And when I come back, it's gonna be a different story as well.
Yeah.
So, doon ko naramdaman
Grabe.
na parang wow.
So like the moment na nag-sit down ka na sa
Yes.
plane, doon na nag-sink in lahat.
Nag-sink in
You
lahat.
never question yourself na ito ba yung tamang decision? Wala ka mga uncertainties, mga ganyan na, alam mo yun, okay, tama ba itong mga decision? Yung mga ganon, like,
Yeah.
ano kayong mangyayari sa Canada?
Right.
Or mas na-excite ka kasi, it's something new.
Yes.
I wanna,
Yeah, I would say mas na-excite
Okay.
siguro ako. Kasi parang, okay, this is something new. Hindi ko alam talaga kung anong kahihinatnan ng journey na to. Kaya
Yeah.
exciting siya.
Yeah.
Of course, medyo nag-worry ka sa uncertainty, right?
Yes.
But then, sabi ko nga, more of the excitement yung naramdaman ko. Kasi, of course, sinat ko na eh. Yun yung isang mahalaga na, alam mo yun, pag you're gonna go here as an international student man, talagang you really have to prepare your mind. Talagang
Yeah.
your mindset na talagang, okay, yung buhay mo sa Pinas is gonna be a different sa magiging buhay mo sa Canada.
Yeah.
So, you have to prepare your mind with that. So, may acceptance ka na, okay, talagang, okay, magba-back to zero ka.
Yeah.
Right? Mag-start ka talaga from nothing.
Or kahit anong mangyari.
Kahit anong mangyari, you will start talaga ganyan. So, kahit anong mangyari, mahirap man yan or what, if this is something na talagang gusto mong ma-experience sa life mo, then talagang you have to prepare your mind. You have to accept, the situation na kahihinatnan or mangyayari when you're in Canada.
Yeah.
So that's one of the advice na gusto kong sabihin talaga. It's the
Yeah.
mindset.
Yeah.
Kasi I mean, not everyone, right? May mga talagang blessed na pagdating dito sa Canada, kung ano yung naging career nila back home, natutuloy nila
I
agad-agad,
agree.
right?
Yeah.
But kumbaga, majority talagang nagsisimula
From the ground
talaga
up.
from the ground talaga.
Yeah.
So, yun yung isang mahalaga na malaman din. Kasi may
Yeah.
iba, unfortunately, nanunus naman yan. Hindi kinakaya. Being an
Totoo.
international student,
Yeah.
right? Na parang okay, yung expectation nila,
Iba
talagang
pala.
iba pala.
Oo.
So, ayun na nga.
Kasi nga
Expectation
minsan,
versus
guys,
reality.
Yeah. kasi nga minsan guys, yung nakikita nyo sa social media, yun din yung reason bakit in-start ko din tong podcast is
Yes.
to know yung realidad sa buhay. Na hindi lahat ng nakikita mo sa highlights, sa reels, perfect.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi po yun yung totoo. Na lahat tayo talaga may kanya-kanyang battle na
Yes.
kailangang, ipanalo.
Right.
Diba? So, ayun nga, yung kay Tim, Pagdating mo na dito, pagdating mo na sa immigration, ayan, doon na tayo kasi nag-fly ka na. Ayan, ano nang nangyari? So, ano sa immigration ka na for sure, tatanungin ka, ganito, ganyan. Ano nangyari?
Right?
Tell us.
So, my cousins were really prepping me na ganito, ganyan ang sabihin mo, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But then, nung nasa immigration pa lang ako, I started to build connection already.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung maririnig ko na, okay, they will go in Alberta, ganyan. Okay, so lalapit na ako sa kanila. Para nun pa lang, may connection na ako. Okay. So,
Ang galing!
So, connecting flights siya.
Yeah.
So, may namit ako in Japan, ganyan.
Yeah.
And we are still connected up to this point. They were in
Ang
Edmonton, ganyan. And then, nung nasa Vancouver na, everything, lahat naman smooth. Nasa
Yeah.
Vancouver na, okay. Dahil nga, pandemic, right? So, talagang yung manpower din that time sa immigration, half lang siya. So, kung
Yeah.
yung waiting time namin, it was so long. Parang we waited siguro 5 hours,
Yeah.
ganyan. Ang layover lang namin, like 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So, we missed the flight talaga.
But at least you have the time na mag-connect sa kanila,
That's
di ba?
the
And get to
thing.
know them, yeah.
So, it was exhausting. It was an exhausting travel, but
Yeah.
I really maximized the time to connect with, certain people.
Yeah.
Lalo na, okay, we're in Vancouver, somebody will go in Calgary as well, and
Yeah.
I connected to them, and we are circle of friends. We formed that circle of friends
That's
even up to this
amazing.
point. We are connected,
Yeah.
Talagang it's very important. And of course, pagdating mo ng Vancouver, it was okay. The weather was okay. Immigration process went well naman na bukod sa nagkaroon lang ng delay.
Yeah.
When you're in Calgary, oh my goodness, it's winter in Wonderland.
Wait, anong year ka dumating? And then anong
Yes.
time? Like,
I
when-
arrived here in Canada December 8, 2021.
wow!
Yeah, kasagsagan po ng winter, guys. Yeah.
Paano mo hinandle yun?
I know. Of course, prior coming to Canada, I was very excited. Okay, finally, I will experience the winter in Wonderland,
Yeah.
the feels, seeing the picture. It was so picturesque naman talaga yung
Yes.
mga backgrounds and everything like that. But then, when I arrived here in Calgary, talagang mas snow na siya. But it was manageable back
Yeah.
then. But few days after, I experienced minus 45, minus 47. I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. How did you handle all of that?
Of course, I was a newcomer, so
Yeah.
it was more of the excitement that I felt na parang wala to, ganyan.
Yeah, totoo.
But siguro after 3 months, like I was like, you know what, this is exhausting.
Nakakabagod maglagay ng mga
Wow.
kapal na jacket,
Yeah.
patong pato.
Yeah, right? Na
Yeah.
mag-prep ka talagang ilang layers yan. You're gonna walk, ganyan. So,
Oh, you mentioned you're walking. So,
Yeah, of
yeah,
course.
kasi nga guys, dito kailangan mo mag-adjust lahat. Siyempre,
Yes.
bago lahat, kailangan mong sa transit, yung mga
Yes.
ganyan. Hindi naman agad magdadrive ka na kasi pwede ka din kumuha ng mga license and it's another process again na kailangan mong gawin,
Right.
di ba?
So,
Tapos, paano mo siya hinandle?
It was challenging, but during my first 2 months siguro, we were online. So nag-start ang klase
Yeah.
ko January 8. So online class kami talaga kasi nga pandemic, ganyan. And somehow parang it's a combination na naging blessing din siya, naging challenging
Yeah.
sa part ko. Blessing in a sense na you don't need to go outside kasi it was
While snowing.
It's snowing out there, malamig talaga siya. You don't need to go to campus.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Challenging at the same time kasi it's, the mental aspect naman na nasa sacrifice,
Totoo.
It was winter. And then you don't have this, I didn't have this connection with my classmates like face to face.
Yeah.
Hindi ako sanay sa mga online. Gusto ko talaga kaharap ko, nararanasan ko,
Oo.
ganon. Nakakausap ko in person.
Yeah.
So, it's challenging and yun nga, sa weather naman, naka-help din siya. Hanggang we went back to school end of Feb, I think. So,
Yeah.
kahit papano naman, the weather, medyo papaspring na siya.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, the weather is talagang mag-a-adjust ka talaga.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming nagsasabi makita ng snow, wow, ganito, ganyan.
Yeah.
In some countries, in some areas, yes, may snow na, pero the weather is just -5, minus ganito.
Totoo.
Those are manageable. Pero pag nag -50, -4, it's a totally different story.
Iba, guys. Yun yung
Yeah.
moment na pag nagpakulo ka ng tubig tapos sinaboy mo,
Yes.
mag-evaporate siya
Right.
agad. Ganun yung pakiramdam, guys. And it's so hard kasi ang dami mong kailangan gawin. Magpre-prepare ka pa.
Yes.
And you have to adjust din sa time na hindi kunyari ang time mo sa work, 5:30, ngayon ka palang mag-prep. Wala na. Parang maraming preparation.
Yeah.
And then what happened next? Kasi you mentioned, di ba, bumalik kayo sa school.
Yeah.
Eto na, guys. Dito natin makikita kung gaano katindi ang school dito sa Canada in comparison sa Philippines. Because you now have the comparison, di ba?
Yes, of
Between
course.
sa dalawang country na
Right.
yan. Sa countries na yan. So, tell our audience kung ano yung mga experiences mo about sa school
Yeah.
naman ngayon.
Of course,
Na back to school ka na
Yeah,
noon,
back to
yeah.
school, especially campus na siya.
Yeah.
Campus, ano na yun. I was very happy. I was really excited.
Yeah.
Kasi nga parang, okay, I left everyone and everything back home in the Philippines. So this journey, I have to talagang create, something.
Yeah.
Mag-build ng relationship, create ka ng relationship. So,
Yeah.
I was the only Filipino international student in my
Wow.
class back then. And parang, syempre, back home, I felt that I was confident enough. Pero nung parang pagdating ko here, parang nag-iba. Parang yung confidence ko, bumaba talaga siya.
Kasi ikaw lang nakita mo Pilipino.
Oo.
No? Yeah, okay.
Okay, mag-isa kong international student na Filipino here. So,
Yeah.
talagang, at first, nagpapakiramdaman eh. Talagang
Yeah.
diverse talaga yung klase ko noon. So,
Yeah.
Canadians, Indians, Asians, Taiwanese,
Yeah.
halo-halo talaga kami doon. So, nagpapakiramdaman kami nung una hanggang sa eventually, na-enjoy ko yung journey kasi
Yeah.
nga, naka-build ako, naka-establish ng good connection sa kanila.
Oh,
right?
okay. That's
So, it was
amazing.
not easy kasi there was a language barrier
Yeah.
back then. Yeah.
Kasi bago ka eh,
Right?
mag-a-adjust talaga lahat. Hindi ka
Yes.
magaling agad-agad na lalo.
Agad-agad,
Bago ka
tama.
nga naman talaga. Yeah. And tell us
So,
more about that.
language barrier. Hindi sa pagiging racist, right?
Yes.
Pero minsan pag ang kasama mo yung mga, for example, group Asian, ganyan. So, okay, kaya mo, kaya, manageable,
Yes, yeah.
ganyan. Pero kapag if you really wanted to immerse yourself in a Canadian,
Oh, iba.
environment, talagang iba. Sometimes, dahil nga naninibago ako, parang, yes, yeah, ganun na lang ako. Minsan kahit hindi ko naman siya maintindihan, talagang, okay, yeah, I know, right? Ganun na lang.
Guys, maraming makaka-relate dyan. I think hindi
Relate
lang
ba
si
kayo
Tim kasi
dyan?
ako. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos, tama ba yung sinagot ko?
Diba? Tsaka mo isipin, ano daw? Parang ganon. Kasi syempre, they had this accent and then
Totoo.
yung talagang conversation talaga, tuloy-tuloy siya ganyan. But then, of course, dito mo rin makikita the difference na they don't judge people.
Yun yung
They will
nagustuhan
really-
ko.
Yes, they will really help you na parang ma-express mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah. Yun nga
Tama.
yun nga yung
Yes.
matindi. Minsan tayo pang mga Pilipino yung
Yes.
nagdi-discriminate sa kapwa natin. Yung mga puti talaga,
I know.
they're so understanding
Yes.
talaga na parang, oh yeah, it's fine. It's totally
Yes.
fine. Yeah, yung ganun sila.
That's what I
talaga.
appreciate din naman talaga dito
Yeah.
na alam mo yun, may language barrier man, but eventually, you already saw na may barrier is. So what you do as a person, as an individual, you
Yeah.
help yourself to improve. You talk to them. Gusto mong mag-improve, right? Talk
to
to them. Immerse mo yung sarili mo sa kanila.
Yeah.
So helpful yung mga ganung bagay.
Yeah. Ang galing ng navigation mo
Yeah.
doon. Kasi nga, paano ka nga matututo kung hindi mo susubukan?
Right.
Diba? O nandun ka na lang sa sulok mag-isa.
Yeah.
Ang galing, yeah.
So, walang mangyayari pag ganun ang magiging mindset. So, you really
Yeah.
have to help yourself as well. And then, with my program, by the way, I took, diploma program in journalism.
Yeah. How long did it take you to
That
finish
was
the course?
2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, 2-year journey for that one.
Yeah.
And then in between, we had our semestral break.
Yeah.
So for international students as well, or for those who are planning, to go here as international students.
Yeah.
So we have these semestral breaks with our school. Other schools, dire-diretso. But in
Yeah.
my case, nagkaroon ako ng semestral break in between. So that's the time for
Gaano
you
siya katagal?
guys.
Yeah.
Like 4 months.
Okay.
Like 4 months, 3 to 4 months. So that's that perfect time as well na humataw ka naman sa trabaho.
Oh,
Ganyan.
okay,
Kasi syempre you have to sustain, your living. And
Yeah.
iisipin mo talaga yung tuition fee mo. Kasi,
Mahal, yeah.
of course, mahal talaga siya. It's 4 times the price of, the local students tuition fee. Talagang
Oh, okay.
multiply it
4
into
times.
4. Ganun siya kamahal in a semester. So when you convert it in peso, talagang it's a big money already
Yeah.
for one semester. You
So guys,
spend it.
ano lang, parang may insight sila.
Yeah.
Aabot ba siya ng milyon?
Overall, talagang sa buong pag-aaral mo, yes, aabutin
Okay.
ka talaga nun.
Okay,
And
guys. So, i-ready nyo na yung mga
yun
milyones.
nga.
Yeah.
And I was, just blessed enough to have a supportive,
Yeah.
people around me who helped me really, to survive, that
Yeah.
rough journey of mine. But
Yeah.
then I did not forget to enjoy. Talagang going back to your question,
Yeah.
talagang I spend, time with these people,
Yeah.
doing assignments, doing projects, talagang we collaborate. Ganun
Yeah.
yung naging strategy namin noon, which was really helpful naman
Yeah.
to every one of us. So,
Yeah.
even if we don't see each other, like often this time, hindi kami nagme-message yung mga classmate ko,
Yeah.
but then we are still connected. Majority naman, we're still connected, which is really good.
Kasi ang busy talaga ng buhay
Yeah,
dito sa
of
Canada, di ba? You
course.
have
Yeah.
to work and then, ayun nga. So, after that, so sinabi mo nga, 2 years yung journey mo
Yeah.
doon, di ba? So, sa 2 years na yon nag-work ka and then estudyante ka
course,
at the same
yes.
time.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more?
With that.
How did you survive yung ganong setup?
Yeah.
Though, kasi you have to consider everything, di ba?
Of course.
Like,
Yeah.
paano nagpakatatag si team that time? Parang ini-imagine ko pa lang, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grabing journey mo.
That's how I saw talaga and realized the importance of being financially prepared going here as an international student.
Yeah.
We are not rich, back home in the Philippines, but at least we can eat 3 times a day, right?
Yeah.
So those things. So talagang wala kang choice here.
Okay, yeah.
I was, studying, but at the same time, kailangan ko din magtrabaho.
Yeah, yun yung gusto ko din pag-usapan
Yes.
natin, kung paano ka nag-work. Kasi I heard na may mga certain hours ka lang na pwedeng
Yes.
mag-work, which is baka gusto mong enlighten yung mga
Right.
audience natin. Kasi ako din, hindi ko alam kung gaano kayo
Yes.
katagal pwedeng mag-work.
Yeah.
And ano yung mga kailangan mo isaalang-alang din habang estudyante ka at nagtatrabaho at the same time.
Right.
Para lahat tayo matuto, guys, diba? Yeah.
During our time, we're limited to work 20 hours a week.
Okay.
Imagine that, 20 hours a week. So,
Yeah.
kumbaga, half lang yun ng full-time hours, right?
Yeah.
Ng full-time job hours. And then, of course, nag-aaral ka, you have to focus sa pag-aaral mo din. Kasi parang, as international student, your time is limited.
Yeah.
Na parang there's no way na bumagsak ka.
Yeah.
Okay, otherwise, that's another semester.
That's another...
Yes,
ano din.
another money, another time,
Yeah.
stretch ka. No, that's not the goal.
Yeah.
Of course, the goal is to finish your studies on time.
Yeah.
Otherwise, affected yung plan mo, affected
Totoo.
yung timeline mo.
Yeah.
So, it wasn't easy kasi back
Yeah.
home naman hindi ako sanay na working student. Kaya nga I'm very thankful
Yeah.
sa family ko who helped me talaga to send me sa school. I'm very thankful with that.
Yeah.
And then dito sabi ko, okay, it's talagang iba na siya.
Yeah.
Okay, hindi ko naranasang mag-aral, magtrabaho, after
At the same
schooling
time,
mo,
diba?
oo,
Yeah.
diretso kang work. Pero sabi ko nga, okay, if it's going to be part of the journey, then be it. Okay, be it. Ganun siya.
Galing.
There were
Yeah.
times na talagang after school ko, I had to go straight sa work ko. Talagang school ka hanggang 5, ganyan, or hanggang 4, and then work of 5 to closing, midnight, ganyan, and you do it same the next
Yeah.
day. So
Yeah.
it was challenging for me kasi especially in my program, journalism, may mga times na we really had to go to events. And you know how events go, right?
Yeah.
Talagang you have to spend, time para ma-cover mo yung gusto mong ma-cover, ma-capture yung gusto mong ma-capture sa event na yun. So sometimes talagang affected hanggang sa parang mababurnout ka talaga.
Yeah.
Okay? Kasi parang, okay, school, bahay, school, assignment, projects. Ang deadline dito, guys, 1 minute lang na deadline. As with the comparison nga, tama.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sa lahat, pero majority na-experience ko talagang 1 minute late ka lang ng submission, they're not going to accept that at
Totoo.
all.
Yes.
So,
Ano sila dito, mahigpit
yes,
talaga,
mahigpit
guys.
din sila. Sa iba naman may arrangement, right?
Yeah.
Pero like, with my experience at least, so ang hirap niya.
Mm-hmm.
So talagang, naging focus ako both. So,
Yeah.
school, work, hanggang sa parang, even your weekend, talagang during those times, hindi ko matawag yung weekend na off mo, wala talaga. Kasi if you're not studying, you're working.
Yeah.
So you have to balance these things for you to survive, for
Grabe,
you to help
sakripisyo.
yourself.
Yeah.
So talagang physically exhausting siya, I would say, mentally as well, kasi you're thinking about your schooling, right?
Yeah.
And then you're also thinking na, parang, okay, kaya ba? Ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, there's no way na, alam mo yun, you're gonna go back. You're already here. So, push mo na yan. Ganun.
Ang galing.
So, it was not easy that's the thing nga, right? People see social media lang yun. The photos that you upload,
Yeah.
ganyan. So, they don't
Grabe yung
see.
pinagdaanan mo,
Yes,
di ba? Na
they don't
kailangan
see
mo
the behind
talaga.
the scenes.
Yeah. Kailangan mo talagang magtrabaho din
Yes.
para maging sustainable yung buhay mo dito
Yeah.
sa Canada. Di ba?
And sa work, sabi ko nga, majority naman nagsisimula talaga sa ground. So,
Okay.
I remember na banggit din ng isang guest mo na yung choice para lang sa may mga pera or
Yeah.
talagang may financial stability.
Yeah.
If you're going to come here, talagang may financial stability ka, you will have some time to choose yung job na gusto mo talaga.
Totoo. Pero kung
right?
wala naman,
If otherwise, talagang kung ano yung available, grab mo siya. So, ganun yung nangyayari naman. So, hindi naman lahat, pero, majority or most
Yeah.
of international students, ganun naman yung nagiging experience.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Pero ang galing kasi parang sabi mo nga, 'di ba, kung ano yung available, talagang grab mo kasi opportunity
Right.
talaga 'yan, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang hindi mo na pipiliin, bakit ka pa magiging choosy, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Kung kailangan mo naman
Right.
talaga. Kasi ganun talaga, guys, kailangan mong mag-adjust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is another adjustment for me. Kasi syempre, kahit ano nga, di ba? Back home, limited lang yung work experience ko. Mostly teaching talaga siya.
Yes, yeah.
Ganyan. And here talagang kahit ano.
Yeah.
So, I worked in a fast food, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, talaga, it was a different environment sa akin. So, may
Yeah.
talagang shock ka rin talaga.
Yeah.
No? So, parang, oh my gosh, what's happening?
And then, plus ito pa guys, iba kasi dito kasi lahat dapat mabilis.
Yes.
'Di ba? Yung galawan mo dapat
Right.
mabilis. Hindi sa Pilipinas na parang, slow mo lahat.
That's
I mean
right.
like, pero hindi naman
Yeah.
namin,
No.
parang criticize or something. But that's the comparison na
Yeah.
baka gusto nyong malaman, 'di ba? And then, even sa school,
Yes.
lahat sobrang bilis.
Fast-paced.
Yeah. I mean like, parang sabi, exam na naman namin.
Yeah,
Parang ganun
right,
lahat. So I'm
right.
like, okay.
So that's another adjustment. But
Yeah.
then, eventually, masasanay ka na rin naman. So,
Yeah.
once adjusted ka naman sa work, ganyan, other people were worried. Of
Yeah.
course, my relatives na parang, are you okay? Kaya mo ba? Ganito, ganyan. They also ask, not only them, but other people, nagkaroon ka ba ng regrets? Ganyan.
Yeah.
Habang andun ka sa sitwasyon na yun, I was like, you know what? I understand before coming here, this is going to be part of my journey, of my experience.
Wow.
But it doesn't mean nagre-regret ako or nagsisi sa kung ano man decision. It's too early to say that. Parang
Yeah.
ganun yung mindset ko.
Ang galing.
Na talagang,
It's the mindset talaga, guys.
yes.
Yeah.
So, helpful din yung kung ano maging mindset mo na parang, okay, mahihirapan ka, magiging challenging yung journey, pero kumbaga, alam mo talaga the direction na gusto mong maranasan.
Yeah.
This is just part of it. Parang ganun. Pero yung pagsisisihan mo na, hindi naman ganito yung buhay ko sa Pinas, I didn't have that.
Yeah.
didn't have that.
Ang
I'm
galing.
grateful with the experiences, with the people I met sa
You see it
journey ko.
differently, no?
Yes.
Ang galing.
That's one of the beauty nga and good things nung nag-move ako sa Canada.
Yeah.
A totally different, perception in life.
Totoo, kasi if you see it like negatively instead of, di ba sinabi mo nga, part siya ng journey, kalakip siya talaga ng gusto mong maabot in the future. Kasi guys, kung rainbows and sunshine, kaya nga may ulan at bagyo, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi part nga siya ng buhay.
Right.
Pero hindi siya sumuko. Yun yung importante,
Yes.
di ba? Okay, wala kang ang ganitong buhay na mahirap, pero in the future, alam mo naman na aanihin mo siya.
Yes.
Di ba? Ang galing. So what happened? Like, so nag-work ka and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then, pero yung 2 years, ang bilis lang, di ba?
Yeah. Kung titignan mo siya, it was really fast. Na
Yeah.
parang, ang dami nang nangyari. Pero looking back, ang dami nangyari. Within that 2 years, like, talagang challenging siya. Talagang you struggle. Hanggang sa maging affected yung mental health mo.
Okay.
Kasi you really have to manage everything, right?
Kaya sabi mo na burnout ka, di ba?
Yeah,
And then what
burnout,
happened? Yeah.
ganyan. I mentioned a while ago, we were just allowed to work 20 hours a
Yeah.
week during that time. But there was, some time that IRCC allowed students to work full-time while studying. So I took I took that, I took the advantage. I took advantage of that. And talagang, I really worked full-time. From my semestral break, I was working full-time. I continued that hanggang nag-aaral ka. I was on my 3rd semester in which, syempre, I was 2nd year. Talagang,
Yeah.
yung mga classes mo and subjects mo talaga, nagle-level up din the difficulty, ganyan. So
Totoo.
talagang, nahirapan ako doon
Yeah.
sa part na yun na alam mo yon, work ka
Full-time, ha?
work ka ng full-time, study ka ng full-time. So medyo, it was
Yeah.
it was really challenging for me.
Ilang oras ka pa natutulog, Tim? If you
That's the
don't-
thing, na parang
you don't mind me
pag
asking.
uwi mo pa, you will do your homework and assignment, right?
Yeah.
And then you wake up 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. So, ganun yung naging routine ko for some time.
Yeah.
Doon ako na-burn out. And then, dumating sa point na parang I couldn't focus anymore.
Oh,
But then,
okay.
while this was happening, again, nobody knew.
Sinulo
Ganun
ko
ako
na
eh.
naman.
Yeah, it was only me. You know, maybe that's one of the toxic traits of me that I don't reach out right away. Pag talagang nahihirapan
Yeah.
ka, it will, you will just show up when you feel okay again. But then, yeah, those were part
Okay.
of the learning. So, nahirapan ako doon. Nobody knew about it. But I know, hindi ko man sinasabi, nararamdaman na nila. Yan
Yeah.
ang mga relatives ko, ganyan na something is different, something is wrong. Parang
Yeah.
ganyan na parang bihira na rin nila akong makita, ganon. So it's
Yeah.
like work, school, work, school. That was my setup for some time. Ganon yung naging setup ko.
Grabe.
Yes. And then I couldn't focus doing assignment, doing work. I couldn't even submit.
Oh,
Talagang
okay.
sabi ko, oh my goodness. So, I knew to myself there was something wrong.
Yeah.
So first, of course, pag hindi ako makapag-submit ng assignment, I talk to my teachers talaga.
Yeah.
And then, that's the thing here naman, you have to communicate talaga.
Totoo,
okay?
yeah.
So para maintindihan nila your situation. And regarding mental health, they were very open and very considerate pag
Yeah.
ganun yung pinag-uusapan natin. So I talked to my teachers na I couldn't really focus. Something's bothering me, this and that. And then after that, because I knew something was wrong, I knew I needed to reach out
Ang
to a
galing.
professional
Yeah.
para matulungan naman ako. Kasi parang, okay, I couldn't handle this by myself anymore.
Yeah.
And parang
At
ayaw
least you have self-awareness, di
Yes,
ba?
I am aware. Ayaw kung kumbaga, if I tell this to my relatives, you already have their, alam mo yun, may mga dinadala sila sa life. So you don't want to add
Yeah.
up sa mga burdens kung ano man yan. So parang I just, I was trying to keep it within myself. But
Yeah.
then I realized that I needed some help talaga.
Yeah.
So I reached out. Luckily, our school has, these group of professionals like who really help these students, struggling with mental health, which was
Ang
really helpful
galing.
sa
Was it
akin.
for free?
Yeah, it's part of the,
galing.
the fees that you're paying for.
Tignan nyo guys, di ba nag-seek ka lang ng advice and
Yeah.
then may direction kang napuntahan agad. So
Yes.
yun lang yun. Ang importante lang talaga, communicate and
Yeah.
be open.
Yes.
Huwag mong papakialaman yung sasabihin ng ibang tao.
Yeah.
Kung alam mong ikaw mismo,
Right.
may something wrong sa'yo. Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw lang talaga yung makakatulong
Yes.
sa sarili mo.
Kasi di
Ang
ba, I
galing.
remember back home, may stigma in terms of
Totoo,
mental health. Na parang pag
yes.
sinabi mong, sasabihin, ang arte mo, arte lang yan. Parang gano'n.
Tulog mo lang yan.
Oo.
Hindi.
So yun yung mga isang na-appreciate ko dito na very open in terms of mental health.
Yeah.
Na
They'll help
talagang-
you figure out.
Yeah. Talagang tutulungan ka naman nila maka-recover from that. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun, talagang ma-figure out kung anong nangyayari, what's happening, and help you out eventually. So that's
Yeah.
one of the things na I appreciate naman dito.
Ang galing.
Walang no judgment, alam mo, with people.
Yeah.
Talagang they will help you out.
And they're so open as
Yeah,
well, di ba?
they're
With
so open.
Kung ano yung mga available, free pa na
Yes.
resources na
Right.
magsusut kung ano yung kailangan.
They will really encourage you to use that,
Galing.
take
Yeah.
advantage of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, huwag kayong matatakot kasi you just have to ask the right
Yeah.
people talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan, nag-ask ka sa wrong person,
Yes.
which is minsan mas naliligaw ka pa.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So,
Ang galing ng navigation mo doon, no?
Yeah.
Ang galing din na how you open up everything, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo,
Yeah.
kaysa yung susuluhin mo na lang.
Yes.
Ang galing.
Kasi nga,
Yeah.
I mean, na-experience ko na siya back home in the Philippines and ayaw ko nang umabot sa ganong experience na naman na alam mo, you are at your lowest talaga, like
Yeah.
you don't want to continue, the journey anymore like that. So talagang, kumbaga, hanggat kaya pang agapan na.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, reach out.
And how did you come back strong? Di ba?
Yeah.
Yun na yun eh. Kasi minsan talaga, life hits you so hard
Right.
until, may mas mahirap pa ba,
I
Papa
know.
Jesus? Bigyan mo pa ako ng mas mahirap. Madali na lang to
Yes.
sa akin. Kasi you've been through a lot, di ba? So, ano yung next na step ni Tim
Of
after that mental health na
Yeah.
the navigation na parang nalilito ka na kung
Yes.
saan. So, paano yung yung comeback mo? Tell
So,
us.
it was really helpful with this counseling and everything
Yeah.
like that. Na-figure out ko kung ano yung dapat ko munang i-sacrifice at the moment. Kailangan kong magbawas ng oras sa work, this and that for me to focus. So,
Yeah.
it's step by step talaga siya. So, nung nalaman ko, okay, these are the things na dapat kong gawin, I did it. And I
Okay.
can say na talagang okay, dahil mas nagkakaroon ako ng time sa sarili ko, alam mo yun,
Yeah.
nagbawas ka ng oras to work, ganyan. So, kahit papano, nagkakaroon ka ng oras sa sarili mo. Tama?
Yes.
And I started reaching out again and showing up to my relatives, to my friends. Nagsimula ulit ako.
Yeah.
And I started to perform again sa school. So talagang sabi ko, okay, yung
And it
phase
helps
na
you.
yon, talagang yung phase na pinagdaanan ko na yun sa buhay, or during that time, sabi ko, there's no way na mapunta ulit ako doon. Talagang I have to keep, moving forward talaga.
Yes.
And it really helped me talagang going back with the reasons why I started this journey. Parang ganon.
Yung
So,
why mo.
yeah, going back to your why.
Yeah.
Kahit anong hirap niyan, babalik ka doon, bakit mo siya ginagawa? Tama?
Yes, yeah.
So, I went back there sa why ko, hanggang sa parang sabi ko, there's no way na bumagsak ako or whatsoever. I have to finish strong.
Yes.
Parang ganon. Nagsimula man ako hindi strong, but I have to finish this student journey strong
Yeah.
talaga.
But you have lots of learnings.
Of course,
That's the most important
a lot
thing.
of learning.
Yeah.
So, ang dami mong realization sa buhay,
Yeah.
learning sa buhay, mga bagong perception sa buhay, na sabi ko nga, hindi ko ma-realize or hindi ko matututunan sa buhay to kapag hindi ako naging international student
Yes.
sa Canada.
Yeah.
So, ganun yung naging
Your
learning.
tool belt, madami ka ng mga tools
Yes.
that you can use just in case you experience this
Right.
again. You know what to do already,
Right.
di ba? Ang galing.
Yes. And then, yeah, for, maraming international students out there or planning to go here as
Yeah.
well. Siyempre, kumbaga, yung mga challenges na to, it doesn't stop naman sa pagiging international student mo.
May challenge every day.
Yes, may challenge yan every day. And after schooling, that's the thing na you will realize again na, okay, the real world or battle is here.
Yeah.
So
Just
you
have to focus.
you will navigate again, your immigration status, your career path na gusto mo talaga. So
Yeah.
it's another level of naman siya, experience, challenges, ganyan. So yeah, I finished my studies in 2023 of
Congrats,
September, and I
yeah.
remember you you documented my
Yeah, my
yeah.
God.
You're there because that's,
Yeah.
I know this is just once in a lifetime experience.
Totoo.
Minsan lang ako maging international student sa Canada.
Yeah.
So I had to, to document this one, and I had to
Yeah.
choose the right people who will document this one.
Thank you.
Because that's something that you will, maaalala mo na siya forever in your life.
Totoo.
So
Yeah.
yeah, in this journey, it's really important to choose the right people. Surround yourself, guys, with the right people. Especially
Yeah.
pag bago tayo, sometimes take advantage, right? Ng mga
Yeah.
ibang tao. So it's
Yeah.
very important. Piliin yung mga taong, ipapalibot mo sa sarili mo.
Yeah, kasi mahirap talaga, guys. Some people, they just want like something for you but
Yes.
cannot give something back. Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, okay, parang, ano lang, guys?
Yeah.
Ano lang tayo. Tama yung sinabi ni Tim. Yeah. So, maybe just learn from that na
Yeah.
lang sa experience din niya. Kasi na-experience din po na, I think lahat ng tao nakaka-experience
Yes.
yan, di ba? So, and then what happened like after graduation and like, syempre, pa-process mo na naman
Yeah.
yung papers mo. Another journey na naman yan,
Another
guys.
journey,
ha?
guys.
Ang dami niyang journey. And gaano na katagal up to this point? 2001,
I
you said?
graduated, 2023. I graduated.
nag-arrive ka dito sa Canada?
2021.
Yeah.
So, almost 4 years na ako here in Canada. Walang
Ang
uwian to,
bilis.
guys. Lakas ng loob talaga.
Yung lakas ng loob.
So yeah, looking back, sabi ko from my day one talaga, like the progress, sabi ko, na nangyari sa buhay ko, holistically speaking, makikita talaga yung difference ko. Alam mo yung growth ko, na
Yeah.
talagang gusto ko namang mangyari mag-grow talaga,
Yeah.
So makikita mo talaga the difference. But then of course, after graduation, talagang
Yeah.
it's another journey as what you have mentioned a while ago. Kasi navigate mo na naman, okay, finding a work
Yeah.
Okay, especially as much as possible for international students na talagang makahanap ka sana ng trabaho na related sa field na tinapos mo.
Okay.
That's the goal talaga. Pero of course, sometimes hindi naman nangyayari. I know
Yeah.
some people na kung ano yung backgrounds nila sa Pinas, na-help sila kung ano yung work nila ngayon, and that's
Yeah.
totally fine. Kumbaga, as long as pasok ka sa it's very technical kasi sa mga skilled workers na sinasabi sa Canada. So we
Yeah.
have available naman yan sa IRCC website. So we have to make sure na yung job na mapasukan natin after graduation ay pasok siya sa skilled categories ng
Yeah.
ng IRCC
Para ma-process mo yung
para
yung
magamit mo
papers.
siya in the future.
Yeah.
Ganun. So finding a job was not easy for sure.
Yeah.
Alam mo, yung perception din
What
ng
made you
iba.
say that? Is it the competition or
Yes.
is it like, alam mo yung time sensitive din kasi
Yes.
may kailangan kayong parang,
Yes, yes.
may ibibigay lang sa inyo na
Yeah.
time. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can you
So,
tell us more about
girl,
that?
After, graduation, post-graduation work permit, depende how long the program is, ganun din, depende kung ilang years ang bibigay sa'yo. But then, it was challenging because it depends on the program or in the field kung nasaan ka eh.
Yeah.
In my program at least, journalism, so ang medyo nahirapan, ang hirap.
Yeah.
But then, I was blessed enough because, an employer saw something, in me, saw a potential in me na talagang they offered naman in their company, they offered a job sa akin. Talagang they helped me, okay, during those first, year talaga after ng graduation ko na they
Yeah.
really wanted to help me to grow in the field na kung saan ko gusto talaga. So they opened their doors, they opened their, they gave me an opportunity to grow as well, which I am very grateful. Though
Yeah.
I'm not working there anymore, but I'm always grateful with the experience and with the people I met through that. So you guys know who you are. Thank you so much. And then, syempre, what you mentioned as well, yung mga competition talaga, and it's time sensitive as well.
Yeah.
And during that time, kumbaga yung economy, recovering pa lang
Yeah,
siya.
from COVID,
Yes,
diba?
from
Yeah.
COVID. So talagang COVID hit everyone so hard.
Yeah.
So talagang recovering siya. So medyo challenging siya.
Yeah.
But then sabi ko, I was blessed enough na, for me, naging smooth naman yung transition ko from student to work.
Amazing.
Yeah. And of course, it doesn't stop there na magka-work ka na, you're okay with that or whatsoever. So you still knew to yourself na the direction na gusto mong puntahan sa buhay mo.
Yeah.
Na okay, as for me naman, sabi ko, I'm very grateful with this experience and I'm grateful to them for allowing me to explore.
Yeah.
To spread my wings and fly outside, them.
Yes.
So I'm working right now in one of the universities here in Calgary as events.
Well, you should
and,
be proud of yourself. That's a big university here, guys. Ang galing. Yeah.
Sabi ko nga, looking back, who would have thought that this simple person from a small community back home will have a chance and opportunity to work here in Canada in one of, established,
Yeah.
Universities here in Calgary and in Alberta. So that is a win
I'm
for
having
me.
goosebumps right now. You work hard for it, Tim.
Yes.
It's not an easy journey.
Yes.
And the good thing about it, you didn't quit. You
Yeah.
take everything positively, guys. Kung papakinggan nyo yung story niya, grabe yung mga dinaanan mo. Pero the way you take it, talagang positive lahat. Like, kasi alam niya, talagang prepare niya yung sarili niya sa journey na to.
Yes.
And ito talaga yung gusto ko.
Right.
Ang galing.
So, yun nga, tama na parang sabi mo nga, I have to be proud of myself.
Yes.
And I am
Yes.
proud of the progress that I've made so far.
Yeah.
Na narating ko to kahit papano. Hindi ko sinasabi na alam mo yun talagang successful or whatsoever ka na.
Yeah.
But success has different level, for me at least. So at least kumbaga ito, I celebrate this season of my life.
Yes.
Makapasok ako in this kind of university. Small win, no matter what, when is a win, big or
Yeah.
small, it is a win.
Yes.
So that's one of the things that I've learned all
Yeah.
throughout this journey, to celebrate
Yeah.
my now, to celebrate my present, to embrace it. Yeah.
I
Kasi
like that.
I know maraming makaka-relate, right?
Yeah.
We put so much pressure on ourselves na dapat
Yeah.
sa future ganito. We were so advanced thinking of the future.
Eh, paano pag wala ka ng future?
That's the thing.
Paano
na
pag ngayon
parang-
natenga ka,
yes,
nadeg
right?
ka,
So,
wala na.
tomorrow is uncertain.
Yes,
It's not
I agree.
promised. It's only the supreme, being up there who knows what's going to happen in the future.
Yeah.
But then with us, talagang we don't know what's going to happen.
Yes.
So, why not, kumbaga, sabi ko nga, tsaka ako magse-celebrate pag tanda ko or who knows, right?
Totoo.
Diba?
Parehas
So,
tayo ng take
yeah.
na bakit mo iisipin yung bukas
Yes.
kung wala namang bukas talaga.
I know.
Bakit dapat ngayon ka nagpo-focus sa moment na to?
Right. So I do agree with that one. Of course, kumbaga lalo sa amin na namumuhay sa uncertainty right
Yes.
now with the immigration changes, with everything happening
Yeah,
right now.
speaking of that, kasi ang immigration, pag nagganyan,
Yes.
nagganyan na lang,
Right.
di ba? Like, nag-change na
Yes.
naman yung ano nila. Okay, paano mo na naman,
Di ba?
how?
Parang okay ka na nga, tapos may iba na. So yeah, guys, I know it's frustrating to see these challenges right now na nangyayari, especially for those international students affected by all these changes.
Yeah.
For those who are on, post-graduation work permit as well, affected, with these changes. Talagang,
Yeah.
and IRCC is unpredictable.
Yes.
So you don't know. Pwedeng bukas may ibang desisyon, nagbago na naman ng rules and this and that. But then talagang we have to keep ourselves, grounded talaga. I mean, this is out of our control.
Totoo.
Okay? So out of control natin tong mga changes na nangyayari. So it's really important to have your plans B, C, A to Z. Okay?
Yeah.
At least you have plans, right?
Yeah.
So kung hindi man mag-work yung ibang plan mo with everything happening right now, we have other plans, to do as well.
Totoo.
So it's really important, guys, na magkaroon talaga tayo ng plans natin with this journey. Especially, you're in the midst of uncertainty, right?
Yeah.
But then, you just dance, with the
ano yun.
music. Kung ano yung sayo ng IRCC,
Sayo
then
yun.
dance with it, right?
I like
Kasi,
that. Kasi mas stress ka.
Yes, that's the
Enjoyin mo
thing.
yung process.
I know.
Yeah.
A lot of people were asking me, hindi ka ba na-stress or whatsoever? I mean, before, nung mga unang-unang ito na ang daming changes, talagang nakaka-stress siya. But sabi ko, you know what? Sabi ko nga, I have to live with my present.
Yes.
Kailangan kong maramdaman yung journey, ma-enjoy yung journey. Kailangan kong someday, pag aalalahanin ko yung journey na to, hindi lang puro siya pahirap.
Yeah.
But then, may mga magandang nangyayari din during this journey.
Yes.
So talagang yun yung inaano ko, yun yung sineset ko sa mind ko na I have to embrace my present right now.
Yes.
So kung may mga chances, just like this podcast, right? Who
Yeah.
knows in the future, you have your million followers already at baka wala na akong chance magsalita dito, right?
You're
And
so
then,
cute.
if I'm going to wait na yung mga bank accounts mo maging milyones ang laman yan, who knows? That might happen tomorrow, that might never happen, or that might take some time.
Yeah.
So the chance is now. So embrace ko yung journey na to,
Yeah.
na makapag-share kahit papano ng experience ko as an international students
Yeah.
to our audience as well. So,
Or
yeah.
even navigating life
Yeah,
alone. Because your
right?
journey is so beautiful. The way you take everything so
Yes.
positively. Ang ganda. Ang galing.
That's one of the
Yeah.
things I considered. Sabi ko na if this story can, uplift even one person out there that, we're navigating
Yes.
things in the midst of uncertainty.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I understand we have our limitations, right? May mga limitations na nangyayari with your status, with our status, and everything like that.
Yeah.
But, it should not stop us to thrive in the field na gusto nating mag-thrive. Just like what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
Walang kasiguraduhan, pero hindi dapat yun ang maging deciding factor mo na hindi ka na magtuloy. No, we can still thrive.
Totoo.
That is something na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na no matter what, okay, we can still thrive talaga sa kung ano yung gusto nating maranasan, ma-experience, or yung career goals na gusto nating ma-experience sa buhay.
Yeah, ang galing.
Yeah.
Ang galing.
So, gusto ko i-share talaga yan.
Ang galing. Kasi the way you navigate talaga everything, nakaka-proud. Kasi yung iba, malay mo, napanghihinaan
Yes.
na ng loob.
Yeah.
Malay mo, andun sila sa stage ni Tim na so confused. Ay, hindi mo na alam kung anong route.
Right.
'Di ba? Pero talagang lahat ng pagdadaanan natin may solusyon.
Yes.
Ang galing. Alam mo yung questionnaire, I didn't even look.
Yeah.
Talagang tuloy-tuloy yung conversation natin. I-check ko lang, baka
Yeah.
mamaya may na-miss ako. You even mentioned about your confidence, diba? And stuff like,
Oh,
kamusta?
yeah. And it's really talagang, sabi ko nga, it's not a one-day journey. Yung
Hindi.
starting from ground, it's not, a one-day journey na talagang
Yeah.
it takes some time and it takes some people to help you build, your life again. So this
Yeah.
journey is not only for me. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
only my journey. Hindi lang ako to. Hindi lang dahil sinurvive ko. No. It's a journey of those people who supported me and who believed in me. Yeah,
Totoo.
kaya I'm thankful, I'm grateful. Pero syempre, as what I mentioned a while ago, it is sad na pagbalik ko pag mag-visit ng Pinas one day, right? Hindi ko na makikita yung iba. So that's one of the challenging parts, yung being away from your loved ones, from your
Yeah.
family. Kasi during this journey, talagang namatayan ka ng mahal sa
Oh,
buhay.
I'm so
and
sorry to hear
yeah,
that.
it was so hard for you to navigate those kasi parang you couldn't do anything,
Totoo. Yeah. Hindi ka makauwi.
hindi ka makauwi because of these things happening right now. Still, uncertainty. So, nakaka-sad, but then I go back na, okay, maybe they're happy, up there, watching over me, watching the progress that I'm doing in my life as well. So, yun na lang na parang sinasabi ko na, okay, this journey is not only for me. It's, the group of people who really
Yeah.
helped me, and I acknowledge that.
Yeah.
I acknowledge that.
See how he sees good and bad situation? Ganyan mo talaga dapat i-ano yung buhay. Instead of like maglugmok ka. Though like it's really a hard experience, but if you
Yes.
cannot do anything about it,
Yeah.
kaysa mag-focus ka, then like at least i-turn mo na lang siya positively.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Well, I
Ang
know
galing.
naman hindi lahat ganyan ang mindset, which is fine. Those feelings are valid, guys.
Yeah.
But then talagang, sabi ko nga, we really have to move forward, especially if we decided to take on this journey talaga.
Wait, did you learn that way like throughout the journey, or someone taught you that it should be done this way and that way, or na-learn mo lang talaga through the process of your experiences?
It's mostly through the process of this
Okay.
this experience.
Kailangan mo na lang talagang
Yes.
maging matatag, no? Para
Right.
sa sarili
Yeah.
mo.
And then of course, there are people that you meet, right? You
Yeah.
guys and other people out there
yeah,
that you
yeah.
learn as well. Nai-inspire ka as well
Yeah.
na magtuloy-tuloy. So,
Oo.
silent watcher ka man dyan in social media or whatsoever like that, natututo ka eh. So,
Yeah.
you combine all this.
Yes, totoo. Yeah. And ayun nga guys, kasi may kanya-kanya tayong journey talaga
Yes.
sa buhay. And it's so good talaga na matuto sa experience ng ibang
Right.
tao.
Yeah.
Kasi yung mga F-up nila, sorry sa
Yeah.
word, 'di ba? Oh, nangyari sa kanya yun. Parang gusto ko ding i-take na route. Okay, I'm just gonna test it to see it myself.
That's the
Diba?
thing.
'Di ba?
If you're going to ask me kung anong advice ang gustong sabihin, sa mga nagpaplano, ganito,
Yeah.
ganyan, na mag-international student in Canada or in other countries, if this is something that you really want to do for yourself,
Yeah.
okay, if this is one of your goals in life, if this is your dream, go for it, no matter what.
Yeah.
But then, if you are going to do this because nakita mo si ganito ginawa niya yun, so gagawin ko rin. Alam mo yun? Then to tell you guys, kung gusto mo talaga go, pero kung ginagawa mo siya kasi alam mo yun,
Ibang tao.
nakikita mo lang na ginagawa ng ibang tao, gusto mo makipagsabayan sa kanya,
Yeah.
ganito or ganyan, then think about it. Kasi when you're here, talagang, alam mo yun, para
Yeah.
wala kang sisihin at the end of the day, talagang kailangan the decision will come from your heart and your
Yeah.
mind na gusto mo to.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or I think kahit anong desisyon sa
Yes.
buhay yan, it should be talagang para sa sarili
Yeah.
ko, gaya ako ginagawa
Right.
to.
Right.
Ano ang pinakamalaking life lesson na natutunan mo sa journey mo so far?
So far sa journey na to, ang dami mong lesson talaga na matututunan. But I think there are two big lessons or major lessons that I've learned.
Yeah.
Number one is to protect your peace at all cost.
Expensive yan.
Yes, protektahan mo yung peace of mind mo and yung heart mo at all cost. Tama? Kasi alam mo, wala pa rin makakatalo yung makakatulog ko ng mahimbing sa gabi. Gigising ka ng, alam mo yun?
Yung wala kang tinatapakang
wala
ibang
kang
tao.
tinatapakang ibang tao or walang masyadong iniisip. Though, kumbaga, everyday talagang iba-ibang challenges ng buhay, right?
It's a battle,
Then, talagang it's a battle. So, you will really learn how to protect your peace.
Yes.
Talaga. And pag protected yung peace mo kasi, mas makaka-perform ka sa work mo. Alam mo yun, mas maipapresent mo yung sarili mo sa mga circles mo, sa friends mo. Kung kanino man, nang mas not presentable but mas comfortable ka, wala ka masyadong iniisip. And mas matutulungan ka talaga niya sa journey mo may clarity yung direction mo, clear ka kung saan mo gusto.
Yeah.
Kasi pag 'di ba, pag yung mental health mo talagang
Clouded or
oo,
something, yeah.
it's so hard. So that's one of the things that I've learned. Protect your peace at all
Yeah.
costs. Second is I've learned actually three, sabihin ko
Okay.
three. Second is that choose the right people
Yes.
na isusurround mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga sabi ko, not everyone will clap for you, not everyone will be happy for you. That's a sad reality. So you really have to choose the people who will encourage you, who will motivate you, who will challenge you,
Yes.
who will guide you pag nasa maling, alam mo yun,
Yeah, maling
namamali
path
ka
ka.
na,
Yeah.
okay? Na comfortable silang sabihin na, uy, okay, let's go back here. So
Yes.
choose the right people with kung saan namang journey. And then the third one is I've learned talaga to embrace my present, to celebrate my present. So before kasi I was, overthinking talaga. Hindi pa nangyayari, iniisip ko na. Ala, paano pag ganito, ganyan? Paano pag hindi nag-work yung plan
You
ko?
worry a lot.
I worried a lot.
Yeah.
I worried so much for a long
Nakalimutan mo
time.
na ngayon.
Na parang, kaiisip ko nun, nakakalimutan ko yung present ko.
Yes.
Nakakalimutan ko yung mga learnings ko, yung growth ko. Nakakalimutan ko yung mga taong nasa akin ngayon. Because I was worried a lot for the future.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I mean, we still prepare.
Yeah.
We still think of the future, right? We have our plans. But, planning and thinking the future doesn't mean na talagang hindi mo dapat isipin yung present mo.
Yeah.
So while we're, thinking of this, we have to celebrate. We have to embrace, this season of our life. Kasi itong season na to, lilipas to.
Yeah.
At kung lumipas man, sa dulo, masasabi ko, at least I enjoyed the journey. At least I learned a lot. At least I embraced this season of my life.
And that's a total win.
Yeah, it is a
It's
win.
not how much money you have.
Yes.
But it's the time you spend while you're here.
Yes. So it's what a journey. I mean, I'm still uncertain where the future will bring me.
Yeah.
But that's the beauty of life. It's full of
Yes.
surprises.
Diba? You just
You don't
gotta
know.
enjoy.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
enjoy your present. Enjoy the moment,
Yeah.
build connections, create memories that will last, forever. Because sabi ko nga, lilipas tong season na to. And then, pagdating mo doon, masasabi mo sa sarili mo na, okay, I embraced every part of this season. Challenges, celebrations, you embraced it.
Yeah. And then nandito na pala ako.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
I arrive in my destination.
Yeah. So those are, the three major lessons that I really learned, through this journey. Yung mga challenges or physically, pagod ka, I mean, wala na lang yan, di ba?
Yes.
Masasabi mo parang, sa
Normal
dami
lang
ng
mapagod.
Kumbaga, you will see more talaga, So, ibang-iba ako with, hindi na, in a good way, okay?
Yeah.
Yung sa team na nagsimula sa Pinas, nagsimula dito since day one. Like looking back sa progress na meron na ako. So I'm proud with all this.
Okay,
Yeah.
one question. Would you change a thing from your past? Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Would you change a thing
Yes.
from your past? Di ba?
Yeah.
Sa tingin mo, ano yung change na
Na
gagawin
babaguhin
mo?
ko?
Oh, yeah.
If there's one change that I would, like to change, with this experience, it was having the negative mindset.
Yes, yeah, okay.
Yeah, because there were times I doubted myself. During this journey, parang, I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. I limit myself so much.
Yeah.
So that mindset. So kahit papaano, the result was different. Medyo limited yung result. Hindi ganun sa inaakala mo or ina-expect mo.
Yeah.
But then, only if I had, a different mindset back then, baka mas yung result noon, mas naging
Bongga
maganda
pa.
pa.
Yeah.
Ganun siya.
Yeah.
So yun lang naman. But other than that, sabi ko nga, struggle, celebration, challenges, blessings, these are all part of this journey.
Yeah.
So I just embrace it. Sabi ko nga, one of the lessons, di ba, na talagang you dance with what's the music of life.
Yeah.
Kung salsa ang dance, salsa.
Salsa,
Okay?
yeah.
Kung tango, tango. Alam nga namang mag-sweet dance. Alam mo yon. So, so navigating this journey, marami talagang lessons.
Yeah.
Those are the three majors. And then, I actually talagang agree with you. Before, I was just going with the flow.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm going with the current.
Yes. It should be. Well, the harder, the better.
Right. I was just going with the flow before, but then, you know what? Something's better. Why not go with the current? And I totally agree with that,
Yes.
mindset.
Yeah. Kung may kausap kang ibang international student o young professional na dumaan sa same struggles, anong sasabihin mo sa kanila? Okay. Connect with the audience.
Yeah. To every one of you international students right now on post-graduation work permit or those who are planning, to take this pathway to go here in Canada, I want to tell you that no matter what the challenges we'll go through, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na there's a way for us, to thrive. Again, talagang uulit-ulitin ko siya. There's a way for us to thrive sa kung ano man talaga yung direction sa buhay na gusto nating tahakin.
Yeah.
Regardless the limitations, the uncertainties out there, I want to remind you guys, you are not alone in this journey.
Yeah.
We're in this all together.
Totoo.
And so, talagang kung mabigat na yan, don't forget guys, you reach out. Okay? Reach out to your circles. Kung kailangan ng immigration consultant, reach out to your immigration consultant. So, hindi natin kailangang saluhin ang pasanin ng mundo by
Totoo.
ourselves. So, yes, yun yung mga gusto kong sabihin sa kanila. You are not alone. Okay? So, magkakasama tayo sa journey na to, navigating this journey. But then, don't forget always, celebrate your now.
Para sa'yo ngayon, ano ang ibig sabihin ng success at enjoying life?
Oh, wow. I know, right? I mentioned a while ago, success parang iba-ibang level yan.
Yes,
Sa bawat
yes.
season ng buhay mo, parang okay for you, success. Mag-iiba na naman pag nasa ibang season ka ng
I
life.
agree.
But then, overall for me, success is, not just surviving life. Success is living life.
Yes.
Success is finding a joy, happiness, purpose, and meaning with what I do. For me, that is success. Because before, for me, success was just, having my dream house, having this and that. Very practical and very literal.
Yeah.
But then, as you go on with your journey, navigate your journey, you will really learn a lot of lessons in life.
Yeah.
So that's how I see and how I define success. Not just to survive life, but to live the life.
Yes. It should be that way.
Yeah, and talagang sabi ko nga in living life, it's not just about work.
Yeah.
It's not just about your circle of friends. It's not just about, family. I mean, family is a really big part
Yes,
of your life,
yeah.
right? But then, it's not just about these things.
Yeah.
The reality is that, that's why makikita mo sa akin na naka-help din sa journey ko na to talaga. You travel, ganyan, do the road trips. Right now, I do hikings,
Yeah.
with circle of friends. I do these things because this is part of life.
Yeah.
I do these things again because
you have to
this
enjoy,
is
diba?
life. Okay.
Yeah.
Others see na parang, okay, this is my escape sa reality.
Yeah.
But for me, this is reality. Reality is combination of all this.
Yeah.
Family, friends, work, community involvement, and time for yourself. Go hiking, go the things that you love. So this is life. This is
Yeah.
how I experience life for me.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Ano yung mga bagay na nilulook forward mo sa susunod na chapter ng buhay mo? Or next season na sinasabi mo nga?
Sabi ko nga, right? Tomorrow is uncertain.
Yes.
But that's the beauty of life. It's really full of surprises.
Surprises, yeah.
Actually, personally as well. Of course, I have my career goals and everything like that, immigration goals. But then, I go with the current. Whatever the future brings me, I will just embrace it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But of course, to the point that you still know the direction that you really want to go in life.
Totoo. Yeah.
Yes.
Stay focused talaga.
Yes, stay focused.
Yeah.
So, para hindi ka mawala.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question. At syempre, ano yung small thing na nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon kahit gaano ka ka-busy or kahit gaano kagulo ang buhay?
Right now talaga ang nagpapasaya sa akin is connecting myself and finding myself with nature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Iba ang nagagawa niya. Like,
talagang nabanggit mo kanina, here in Canada, fast-paced talaga ang buhay. Ang bilis-bilis ng mga
Bilis.
pangyayari, ang busy-busy. But then, you have to realize na parang you really have, to allot some time for yourself.
Totoo.
So iba yung nagagawa niya sa akin kapag when I'm, in nature, dagat man yan, lake man yan, or bundok man yan. Recently
Yeah.
talagang sa hiking, talagang iba yung joy na nararamdaman ko every time I go hike. Talagang it's not just about the peak that you conquer, but it's the journey as well, going up there and with the
Yes.
people you go with, right?
Yeah.
So itong mga small things na to, yeah, it really helped me a lot as well. Sabi ko nga, it's not my escape. This is part of reality.
Yeah.
I want you to realize na others kasi tama na parang nagigilty sila na parang deserve ko bang gumala, ganito, ganyan.
O gastos na naman
Gastos na
yan.
naman or whatsoever. But then, this is part of life.
And don't forget to live that life.
That's the thing. Life is a journey.
Yeah.
A journey that we have to experience.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Kasi once it's over, you don't know
Yes.
when, di ba?
Once it's over, it's done.
Hindi mo yan
Yeah.
mabibili. Hindi mo yan mabibili.
Right.
Well, that's a nice story, Tim. Thank you so much for
you.
your time.
Thank you so much for allowing me to share a glimpse of my story. I usually don't share publicly,
Yeah.
but then going back, sabi ko, this goal of mine talaga, sabi ko, hindi man ako nasa teaching ngayon, sa education profession ngayon, in other ways, I still want to, to uplift,
Yeah.
empower, or inspire, whatever word that is, the younger generation.
Yeah.
And not only them, of course, lahat ng tao na nakaka-relate
Yeah.
with my story and journey.
Ang galing. So guys, if you wanna follow Tim, so where can they follow you? Give them your socials.
Well, I am not very private, but you can just, find my Facebook, Team Bariel, on my social media
Yeah.
accounts. I just post, often in there. But yeah, if you want to follow my adventures, some of the community involvements, I
Yeah.
just, put my stories out there. So yeah, and of course, you guys don't forget to follow as well, Ross.
Yes, guys.
Of course.
Don't forget to follow me, guys.
Yes.
Okay. I'll take you.
Subscribe and share the videos. And of course, the
Thank you,
ZRM
Tim.
Studios. You guys are amazing.
Thank you,
Thank
Tim.
you for, using this, as a platform as well to people out there to share their
Yes.
stories, to the community and to the world.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Tim.
I
Thank
appreciate
you. Grabe! Thank you for spending time with me today. Kung nakarelate ka, natawa ka, or napaisip ka kahit konti, i-follow mo naman tong ating channel para mas marami pa tayong heart-to-heart na ganito. And hey, share mo din sa friend mo, baka kailangan nilang marinig to. See you sa next episode and remember your story matters. Bye now!